Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. So we will to present about our project. Our project is Nexus Mechanism, and then we will explain about our member. Next.
Yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is Herus Broto Nenggolan as a program.
Okay, and then my name is Dea Santa as a electrical.
My name is Gagah Muhammad Farel. I am mechanical.
Then my name is Lakshmana Faisal as the program.
Okay, so we will present about our background presentation.
The development of robotic technology is acceleration along with the increasing need for intelligent, flexible, and efficient automation system in various fields such as industry, health, education, and security. One type of robot that offers high maneuverability and flexibility in movement is the mechanism wheel-based robot. In this case, the next mechanism four-wheel drive robot comes as one of robotic platforms specifically designed to support omnidirectional movement, the ability to move in any direction without the need to change direction. Okay, next. And this is a job desk of the program. My job desk is a program is learn the use of ROS and JSON for robot needs the communication and run the robot. According to the command that have been made in session, I have a installation JSON and Jetpack, and then calculate the encoder value displaying in out the Ubuntu terminal, and then demonstrating the robot whether it is running properly. This achievement that I have completed are installation JSON and necessary package and displaying the encoder value via Arduino Mega and communication via SS on JSON. So achievement that I have not complete demonstration of the robot. Two obstacles that occurred due to unavailability unavailable of items such as the LN298 motor driver as well the Arduino Mega 2560 and Arduino Mega Shield and then the robot program.
Okay, my job desk program. My job desk here as a programmer, and I learned about how ROS communicate to Arduino. ROS sends commands to the Arduino via serial communication, or usually via USB, using protocol that both parties can understand. The most common and easy to use format is Roserial. And here a table of component and Arduino role acts as LED device that receive command from the ROS and control the actuator, motor, LED, and APC, or read the sensor. And ROS node role acts as the master and send command. The serial Python ROS node on a PC that creates a bridge between the ROS and the serial port to which the Arduino is connected. For serial Arduino, the role is Arduino library to be able to speak in ROS format.
Okay, next I will tell about my job desk electrical. In this robot, we will use several components like this present. First, 4 pieces encoder motor, mechanism wheels, ultrasonic sensor, RS485 modul, LN298N motor driver, step down converter, push button, Arduino Mega, and last Arduino Shell. And then the Arduino Mega is the main like microcontroller of the robot, and the Arduino Shield is a connection with sensor and motor driver, and L298N is motor driver for control the speed and direction, and then the encoder is to measure the speed and direction of rotation wheel, and Mechanomills is omnidirection movement, and the last ultrasonic sensor measure distance and detect of obstacle.
Okay, job desk mechanical. My task was to completely uh, design the Nexus Mechanum robot, including reasoning the mechanical structure, component layout, and robot movement system. In addition, I was also responsible for designing and manufacturing custom mounts for S component and ensuring that the existing robot did not need to be dre- drilled or further modified. This was important to ensure that necessary component replacement could be done easily and effectively without damaging or permanently altering the basic structure of the robot. The main focus in this project to optimize the design to improve robot and compatibility while maintaining ease of maintenance and component replacement. Achievement that I have.
Okay, next, the challenge and consideration. Maybe as a program, maybe mechanical first, Gagah, this one.
Obstacle faced during the mechanical process. To date, there have been no significant obstacle or challenge during the work process. All activities are still running according to the plan that has been set and its tech can be complete smoothly. However, the team remain prepared to deal with possible problems that might arise at a later stage, and will continue to conduct regular evaluation to maintain the smooth running of the project.
Okay, maybe obstacle as electrical, Dea, you can explain.
Okay, I will tell about the challenge and concern as electrical. Regarding the electric car have a problem, there was one motor encoder had problem, the cable disconnect. So to resolve, I solder the cable and the connection returned to normal. However, this problem is not classified as severe and can be resolved quickly enough without the over workflow. Aside from this issue, there have been no other significant problem with the electrical or other aspects of the project.
Okay, challenge and constraints in a program research process. So the obstacle what we in program is use the Jetson Nano, and we don't have a characteristic of the system, so we must research and learn about the Jetson, and then installation Jetson for the robot. Okay, this is the problem solving of a program. In the program section, there will be thorough review of possible problems that occur, both in terms of program logic and integration between components. Each section of code will be evaluation to ensure that all components have been implemented correctly and function according to their respective tasks and roles in the system. The process also includes testing and the data communication flow, input, output, validation, and checking the compatibility between module and to ensure to the stability and reliability of the system as a whole. Okay, problem solving as a mechanical.
Mechanical solving. In the mechanical section, all job desks that have been given previously, such as carrying out the design process and assembly of each component, have been successfully complete in accordance with the set target. 3. The next step that can be taken is to provide support to all team members, especially to who experience obstacle in their part of the task. This support can be in the form of implementation to accelerate the completion of the entry project collaboratively.
Then electrical solving can explain.
Okay, from the problem of electrical, I have solved the problem and I will entire wiring process of the component complete. So the solve is I soldering the cable, and if decision of disperse screens are found, repairs and improvement will be made to ensure the system optimally and safety to the required of specification the robot.
Okay, and then the consolation is overall the teams successfully complete their respective job desks in accordance with the predetermined roles and responsibility. Each part, with whether in terms of mechanical, electrical, or program, has shown positive progress and supported each other in the implementation of the project. Also, there were some technical obstacles that arose during the process, such as interference with the encoder motor connection and adjustment to the use the Jetson Nano. It did not become a major obstacle and could be overcome through improvement and further research. Maybe Aldon, we explain what the job desk in program, in mechanical and electrical. Maybe
We will show about the demo of robot. Maybe I will share screen. This is the demo of our robot. Okay, just it. That's all for me. Sorry if there are any mistake. Thank you.
maybe almost done, and we must close the presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.